I'm going to be we will buy no men and I buy ya digging it. If I ain't America, I'm going to be all over the camera and I can never but I did one moment and more to back any edge. Oh, my boy, and you on your father, the kind of appropriate. You make it that just so long as you know I'm Thank you.
Oh my God, Kai, if I go find it out. Only one person. As in there, you just go and check him out. Go to his page, his social media handles, and get entertained.
Yeah.
Oh, lots to offer.
Sure. We have a lot.
Lots to offer. And I mean, stream his latest songs is going viral. It's everywhere. So don't miss out.
That's it, thank you.
Yes, so thank you for coming. Please can you just say a prayer for Waga Gee?
Okay, yeah, I'm here for Waga Gee. Waga Gee is my very good friend, a brother, like a brother from another mother, and I wish him well. We're here tonight for this one performing, and by the sheer grace of God, I was able to perform. You know, no man, Ojadiligbo.
Okay, you got your friend. I want you to do one spot there for why you start calling. When you can even get when you don't get camera, can you get your master? I think I told you why and why I don't know. And why you want to kill style when you when you have a band, why you